Welcome to Digital Confidence Tips for Carers. These videos are designed to support you or the person you care for with tips that will help you when using apps, online forms, and smartphones and tablets for navigating aged care. In this episode, we'll talk about understanding basic settings and exploring accessibility settings on your device or for the person you care for. Quick tip with accessibility settings. Try one thing at a time when exploring. Ask yourself or the person you are supporting if it is better or worse. If it is better, then keep the setting. If it is worse or there is no obvious change, then return the setting back to the previous state. It's important to note that options and names may be different depending on your device model and software version. To get started, open the Settings app on your device. You can usually find this by looking for the gear icon on your device. Go to the option called Display or Display and Brightness and review these settings. Review the text or font size and adjust to suit your vision. Review the brightness and adjust the brightness to suit your vision. You may also want to turn on bold text, which may make writing easier to read on your device. If your device goes to sleep too quickly, you can change the auto-lock or screen timeout to give you extra time. Once you're in Settings, go to Accessibility to explore the additional settings available. I'll explain the key categories. Let's begin with the Vision settings. Magnification or zoom for zooming into the screen with a simple gesture. Options such as color contrast can make it easier to differentiate areas, while color inversion changes the color scheme, which may reduce eye strain. Another useful feature is text-to-speech or spoken content, where your device can read text out loud, making it easier to interact with content. You can select language and speed as well. Next, let's look at the hearing settings. Depending on your hearing aid and model of device, you may be able to pair it directly through Bluetooth, like you connect a phone to a car. The hearing aid needs to be close to the device and in pairing mode. If you struggle with hearing, you can enable subtitles and captioning to help with spoken words on the screen. Now, let's explore accessibility settings for physical and motor interaction with a device. If using the touchscreen can be challenging, you can change how it responds to taps, swipes, and gestures. There are voice control settings that allows you to interact with the device using your voice. There are also settings to change keyboard sensitivity or add an external keyboard. That concludes this episode of Digital Confidence Tips for Carers. We hope you found these tips helpful for you or the person you support navigating aged care. Share these tips with friends, family, and carers, and explore the other videos and resources in the series.